Namaste.
Namaste.
Welcome to Mindful Snacking Workshop. You have made a right decision of buying this course. We are giving here various methods of instilling mindful snacking habits among your children. I am Asmita.
And I'm Vinayak. Together we come with more than 40 years of cumulative cooking experience. When we conceived Annamaya Kosha, we were running a health cafe called Ista Cafe, and due to COVID we had to pause it for the time being. And immediately one idea came up to our mind that because we have been foodies, we've been cooks, we've been fanatic cooks you can say, and we are involved all the time in thinking about what is the new thing that we can cook. So we keep reading, keep upgrading ourselves. Our own experience also comes handy. We research on the internet, we talk to people, and we thought now why not we can assimilate all the information we have in the form of the courses so that we truncate the information and present it to you, and it will be useful for you. So this is one such course. Ista Cafe is conceived on the notion that the ancient grains are supposed to be very healthy. So we bring in the nutrition value of the ancient grains and put it in the form of modern food so that the youngsters can relate with that. So we didn't want to compromise on the health aspect. Also we did not want to compromise on the trend aspect of it.
So we have designed more than 150 recipes using ancient grains of India. We have reached more than 1 lakh people through our food interactions and workshops.
So talking about this workshop, children are our dreams. They are also our dream come true. They are our bundle of joy and they are the future generation. But if you have noticed, all the time we parents are worried about what they should eat and what they should not eat. Because when we do not pay attention, they simply end up in eating something and then that may not be good for them. So this concern is lingering on our mind all the time, that how best nutrition we can give to our children. We want to give them the best food, best culture, best everything, right?
Even then, things don't work the way we want them to work, especially regarding the food habits of our children. They tend to eat the food that we don't want them to eat, and we fail in convincing them against those foods. We probably do not know ourselves which food is good for them and which is not. Maybe that is because we are so influenced by the so-called food industry, advertisements and promotions.
So through this course, we want to convert the concern into knowledge and information, and using which you can be better off than what you are now in order to get a better eating habit for your children.
So this course, we have various sections in this, wherein we are going to tell about the various taste preferences of children, why do they like certain kind of food, and the differentiation between the home food and the packaged food, and followed by great recipes especially designed for the kids. So at the end of each session, we have an exercise that will make this course not only interactive but also mutually beneficial.
We request you to participate actively in all the exercise and comment wholeheartedly so that it will be helpful for others also. Let us make this experience most memorable one, and we want you to get the best out of this course.
So let us build a healthy community.
So we wish you all the best. See you in the first video.
Bye-bye. Happy cooking.
Happy cooking.